Hi Bells, welcome back to my channel. So yes, I am driving. Yes, you are mounted on the dashboard. Yes, I am watching the road. Disclaimer, done. Taken care of. So that being said, I just wanted to do a quick video and give you guys a hint about what this video series that I am starting today, the first video comes out today, what this video series is about. And if you were watching the intro and sort of the opening credits, you will notice that the logo is a different color, and that color is a hint as to what this video series is going to be about. So it starts today and it's going to go through like the second week of April. There might be giveaways if I just run into something that I'm really loving and I want to share it with you guys. I will do giveaways. I wanted to also let you know that this is more of like my artsy side. It is something that I genuinely love and have a lot of fun with every year, and I just wanted to share it with you guys and do some eye looks to sort of represent some different things that I am really into, and sort of do like these little battles. And I'm not going to say any more because I don't want to give it away. I want you guys to be surprised. So I also wanted to make sure that you were subscribed to the channel. Click the bell icon also so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. If you're excited for the video series and excited for what I'm about to do, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you think you might know what it's about, leave me a comment and tell me. I will not tell you if you guessed correctly, but I thought it would be sort of fun to do maybe a giveaway based off of if anybody is able to guess. So we may do that. I am going to make a trip today, probably to Sephora, which is not my usual shopping locale, but I do need to try to see if I can find a couple of things for this series. And I'm looking for a couple of shadows. If I had the James Charles palette, it would solve all of my problems, but I do not, and I cannot get it. So yeah, there's that. So if you are not following me on social media and you want to do that, and you want to follow everything that's going to be coming up, not only in the next 2 weeks, but in the next 2 months, I have several video series planned for you guys. So if you want to make sure that you're following me, not only here on YouTube, but you can also follow me on Instagram at SouthernBelleBeauty06. And on Facebook, I do have a group that is a public group that you can join that is called Southern Belle Beauty, and everything is linked on my channel. If for some reason you have trouble, let me know. I will get you to those places. And I'm also on Twitter as Marble City Mama. So if you want to follow me and want to see everything that I've got planned for you guys, then make sure to go and do all of those. Follow me, join the group, all of that fun stuff. And I think that's it. I'm sort of rambling at this point, so I will stop. I want y'all to have a great day. Love you, mean it.